Hi Shrishti, welcome on Europedia.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So let me congratulate you for your selection in Maharatna Company (HPCL) as
Thank you, sir.
engineering officer in electrical engineering background. And
Thank you,
let me
sir.
thank you also for the time you spared for this interaction, Shrishti.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure speaking to you as well. So thank you
Okay,
so much.
okay, Shrishti. So this interaction, the purpose of this interaction is to help so many students who want to get into the jobs, the kind of job which you recently got and you are now doing. So
Yes, sir.
this entire interaction will keep in that direction. I start
Okay,
with
sir.
your first background. Please tell us आप कहाँ से हैं, which part of India, and your academic journey before you finally got into HPCL.
Sir, first of all, sir, my name is Srishti Yadav. I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my degree in electrical engineering from Galgotias College of Engineering and Technology.
Okay.
Yes,
And
yes.
when did you complete it?
Sir, I completed my degree in 2023.
Oh, so आप 23 के बाद से were you preparing for exams only?
Yes, sir. I was preparing for exams, for GATE exams and all engineering background exams.
ओके सो सृष्टि इट विल वेरी गुड अगर आप शेयर करें अपना गेट का जर्नी आपका कैसा रहा था गेट के स्कोर्स वगैरह एंड और कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स आपने दिए जहां पे क्लिक नहीं किया आपका
Sir, my journey started as soon as I completed my college days. After that, I joined coaching classes for preparing GATE.
हम्म
And then after in 2024, I gave GATE exam, but that year my score was not that good.
हम्म
So I took one more year, 2025. I thought in
हम्म
2025 I'll get properly. This
हम्म
year, sir, my marks were good. My rank was under 1,000, and
हम्म
I got also call from NPCIL, but there actually I did not prepare for interview, so I could not clear that interview.
हम्म
And after that, I gave this SSCJ exam, and unfortunately, in that exam also I missed with few marks. And then
हम्म
after I gave HPCL exam, and in this I was called for interview. And
हम्म
after that, I joined your PDA for interview preparations, and this time I cleared everything very smoothly.
ओके सृष्टि ये जो एग्जाम था आपका एचपीसीएल का आई थिंक देयर वाज अ सेपरेट एग्जाम ऑफ एचपीसीएल दैट इज
Yes, sir.
सीबीटी
Yes,
राइट
sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
उस एग्जाम के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ एंड हाउ डू यू फाइंड दिस एग्जाम डिफरेंट फ्रॉम गेट एग्जाम
Sir, in this exam, basically, it was a CBT MCQ type. As everybody know, this exam contained 170 questions, where 85 questions were from technical field and 85 question was from non-technical field. So, sir, this was basically easier than GATE. In GATE, we get different type of questions like multiple select options, multiple choice option, and numerical also as well. But in this, all the questions were multiple choice questions, and level was, sir, we can say much more less than. GATE. It was not that much tough. Technical part was like if somebody's concept is clear, basic concept,
ओके
so they will be able to perform really very well. And there was maths part, reasoning part, and
ओके
one section was of English part. So this
ओके
was the all about
And
CBT.
in HPCL, equal weightage is given to technical and non-technical.
Yes, sir.
Normally, when you prepare for GATE, तो technical बहुत ज़्यादा focus होता है technical के ऊपर. So,
Yes, sir.
since someone who is preparing for GATE only and all, जब HPCL वगैरह का उसको CBT लिखना है, तो उसको non-technical वाले part में how he can approach and क्या difficulty level होता है non-technical का?
So non-technical levels are not much difficult. Like for aptitude section, your basic maths concepts should be clear, like profit loss and simple interest and all that they ask. Like there is aptitude in GATE also
Hmm.
for 15
हाँ,
marks. So if
yeah.
they have prepared properly aptitude section, so they can easily perform aptitude section in CBT exam of HPCL. And
Hmm.
reasoning is simply same as we prepare in SSC JEE. Reasoning part 50 questions are there in SSC JEE. That
Hmm.
level of reasoning part is there in
Hmm.
HPCL, and English is normally simple English, not very tough.
Okay.
Like
Hmm.
if your grammar is clear, so you can easily select the options.
हम्म अच्छा जो टेक्निकल आपने बताया उसका बहुत ही सिंपल होता है टेक्निकल बहुत ज्यादा
Yes,
डिफिकल्ट
yes.
क्वेश्चन नहीं आते
No, sir, no, sir.
ओके सो सृष्टि, डू यू बिलीव दैट ऐसा भी हो सकता है कई कैंडिडेट्स का गेट क्लिक ना करे या कोई और एग्जाम क्लिक ना करे और एचपीसीएल जैसे क्लिक हो जाए, तो व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस टू स्टूडेंट्स जो अलग अलग एग्जाम की तैयारी करते हैं?
Sir, I'm perfect example for this.
यस।
Because I could not make very good out of gate, but here I cleared the exam in my very first attempt. And sir, it is very easy. Like if your concepts are clear, your concept should be clear, like basic concepts, not very numerical part, not very big formulas and all that, but basic of every subject you must know. Like there, if you are trying to skip, like in gate exams you need not to have very little knowledge, because the exam pattern is fixed in gate exams. And even we can say topic is also divided weightage wise, that this subject will have this much question, and every year almost near about we get that much of questions. But for this CBT exams, basic concepts should be clear, like SSCG. There you need not to be focusing on big numericals or difficult numericals.
अच्छा, इसमें कुछ कट ऑफ का बता सकती हैं आप सृष्टि के, आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग में कट ऑफ कितना गया था अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में?
Sir, for electrical engineering, so total pair were 170 marks, and for general, the cutoff was 127.25 marks. And I guess for OBC, it was 125, and for SC/ST, 117 something.
दैट यू आर टेलिंग आउट ऑफ 170?
Yes, sir, for CBT, I'm telling.
हाँ, सीवीटी 170 में से।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, नंबर ऑफ सीट्स कितनी थी आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल में?
Sir, electrical, में total seats were 35.
अच्छा, और
Yes,
और
sir.
एचपीसीएल जैसे हर साल रिक्रूट करता है, तो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन, यू मे और मे नॉट बी नोइंग, तो क्या अगले साल भी मतलब नंबर ऑफ सीट्स आने के चांस होते हैं या व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन?
No, sir, here, like from past 3 years, every year they are
आ रहा
recruiting,
है।
and so there are chances in future also
ओके।
they will recruit, because here they are building, sir, one refineries in Rajasthan. In
अच्छा।
so that is almost prepared.
हम्म।
When that will charge, so they will need work power. And sir,
हम्म।
in Bhatinda also they are expanding
हम्म।
something, to there also they will need manpower. And sir, in here Vishakhapatnam refineries also, their project is going on. So
ओके।
definitely they will recruit, because
एक्सपेंशन।
here teachers were telling.
तो एक्सपेंशन मोड में है एचपीसीएल, एंड लॉट ऑफ
Yes,
मैन
sir,
पावर
full
इज रिक्वायर्ड।
expansion mode. Yes, sir.
अच्छा सृष्टि, अब डिस्कस करते हैं ब्रीफली अबाउट ग्रुप टास्क इंटरव्यू, क्योंकि एचपीसीएल
Yes,
का ग्रुप टास्क एलिमिनेटिंग है, इंटरव्यू एलिमिनेटिंग है,
yes.
उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ। आपसे क्या पूछा गया था, हाउ वाज दिस?
Sir, in our group there were 8 candidates, and we were given the GT task was that you have to go in village area, and there you have to explain people that how packaging of processed food should be done biodegradable materials like paper packaging and all, avoiding plastic. So people in village area are not much educated, because of packaging with biodegradable material, pricing was increasing. So how will you convince people to use that, and how you will explain the benefits to them, that if we do bio packaging, that it will be good for environment, and as well for their health also. So this was the topic. And sir, as you explained, I gave the introduction of that GT, and after that, all followed me. And so you can say, because of that introduction, I got my
ओके।
GT qualified. And in that, I think, sir, four were selected and four were eliminated
ओके। अच्छा,
from my
ये
group.
उसके बाद जीटी के बाद आप इंटरव्यू में जाती हैं, तो उसके
Yes,
बारे में
sir.
बताओ, व्हाट क्वेश्चन डिड दे आस्क यू?
Sir, in interview, basically they mainly focused on HR type questions, like why I wanted to join the organization, and how I can use my skill in helping the organization to perform better, and what do I know about them. So,
Okay.
whatever things, whatever projects are going on here, how can you play your part? Basically, sir, the questions were from HR. Only
Okay.
few, like you can say, from 100%, 70% was HR question and 30% was technical questions.
So can you give
Yes, sir.
some tips to students, HR कैसे तैयार करना है या मतलब टेक्निकल कैसे इंटरव्यू कैसे तैयार करना है या ग्रुप टास्क? आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंटेंट बट
Yes,
ओवरऑल
sir.
टिप्स जो आपको लगता है कि ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Sir, the very first thing what I feel is important is confidence. If you're
Yes.
confident and you speak less or more, your content should be like relevant. Don't speak too much, but speak relevant.
हाँ.
You speak one line, but that should be relevant. And confidence is like very important for interviews. If you speak wrong also or something you don't know, just confidently say that I
हाँ.
don't know, and whatever
I
you
know.
know, confidently say that I know, and explain properly. Other
Very
than
good.
that, if you have too much knowledge and too much everything and you explain too much, so sir, that gives very bad impact.
तो कम बोलो लेकिन रेलिवेंट बोलो और
Yes,
स्ट्रेट
sir.
बोलो.
Speak
That
less
is a
and relevant with confidence.
very good. So Srishti, that's related to HPCL. Now last my interaction point is related to your experience in HPCL. Please
Yes,
बताएं
sir.
आप कहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया है आपने and how's your training session going on?
Sir, I joined here on 15th of December in
Hmm.
Pune, Lavale Hilltop in Synopsis Universities. They have given a stay to us in Sandipani Hotel here. Sir, hilltop experience like our university and campus is in between and surrounded by mountains. So it is very great experience. And
Okay.
sir, before coming here, we were not aware that we have achieved this much good. After coming here, the way they are treating and the way they are greeting us, that is making us more feel that yes, now we are an officers here.
Yeah.
Lunch, dinner, everything is sir, extremely good.
वंडरफुल. चलिए
Yes, sir.
सृष्टि, सो आई विल नॉट बॉदर यू मच. सो
Yes,
आपने बहुत अच्छा इनपुट दिया है कैंडिडेट्स के लिए,
yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दोज हु आर एस्पायरिंग टू लीड करियर एज ऑफिसर they will
Yes, sir.
certainly get benefited through your this points which you mentioned. Now I thank you
Yes.
once again and wish you all the very best for your career with HPCL. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.